Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to share with you one of the most fun and festive cake ideas ever. The candy-filled piñata cake. Imagine cutting into a cake and having a burst of colorful candies spill out. It's like a party within a party. First, let's start with the basics. You'll need two 8-inch round cakes. I baked mine using a classic vanilla recipe. Feel free to use your favorite cake flavor though, chocolate, red velvet, or even funfetti. Once your cakes are fully cooled, grab a round cookie cutter or a small bowl. We need to cut out a circle from the center of one of the cakes. This is where the magic happens. Be sure to save that centerpiece for later. We'll need it. Now place the uncut cake on your serving plate or cake board. Spread a generous layer of frosting on top. This will act as the glue that holds everything together. Next, place the cake with the hole on top of the frosted layer. Here's the fun part. Fill that hole with your favorite candies. I used a mix of mini chocolate bars, colorful gummies, and sprinkles. You can go wild here. Think M&Ms, Skittles, or even smaller novelty toys if you're feeling adventurous. Just make sure whatever you use isn't too heavy, or it might collapse the cake. With the hole filled to the brim, it's time to cover it up. Place the reserved cake circle back on top. It should fit perfectly, hiding all those goodies inside. Give the entire cake a crumb coat, a thin layer of frosting that seals in any loose crumbs. Pop the cake in the fridge for about 15 minutes to let the crumb coat set. Once the crumb coat is set, it's time to get creative with the final layer of frosting. Smooth it out evenly, or get fancy with piping and decorating. I went with a simple pastel color scheme and some fun sprinkles around the edge. But you can decorate it any way you like. The sky's the limit. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Gather your friends and family around, and when you cut into the cake, voila! A cascade of candies will tumble out, delighting everyone. It's a showstopper for any celebration. There you have it. A candy-filled piñata cake that's as fun to make as it is to eat. If you give this a try, be sure to tag me in your photos. Love to see your creations. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more delicious bakes, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my sweet creations. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!